सरपंच विलेज पंचायत नुवेम आज मुझ बरोबर आमचे वेगवेगळे सगळे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी सगळे विलेजींतले नुवे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सींतले सरपंच एक्स सरपंचास पंचास आमचे बरोबर ही प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स दिवपा मुखार सरले नाव प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स दिवपा मुखार सरपाक गोंय आख्खें गाजलो आहा गोंयांत बरो बोळ जालो आसा वयते पुलीस स्टेशनांनी कंप्लेन्स रजिस्टर्ड जालो आहाय where assurances have been given by the government to us that we will be arresting the so-called Khattar. हो इन्सिडेंट जोईत तेदोना एक बाबूकपण म्हणटा तें आमचे मदें जायतें उंच सोरलें एक आमचे भितर आमगेलें रोगत शिजोवंक लागलें कित्याक आमगे गोंयची सायबा पळयली म्हणून सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियर 40 वर्स मायज जालीं हांव खूद एक डिवोटी ऑफ सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियर एंड बीइंग अ स्ट्रॉंग रोमन कैथलिक of an Indian nationality, my religion and my nationality teaches me that I stand strong with my faith, which has been given to me by my constitution, which says to me under Article 25 that I have a right to profess the religion that I choose to. Now, जेन्ना एक सरपंच म्हणून हांव केन्ना एक NOC इश्यू करता आनी for any show there is one condition which has been put by me. The applicant is directed not to give instigating speeches, comments, slogans against any person, religion, institutions which may incite the public in the locality. This is a condition which is there in most of the NOCs, whether it has been given by the Deputy Collector, Village Panchayat, or even be it the owner of the place who gives you NOC to do your programs there. And after this, it has been said by us that all conditions should be observed strictly, failing which permissions shall stand automatically terminated and the police of the concerned jurisdiction are free to take action as per law in force. The permission is granted subject to the organizer has other valid permissions from competent authorities. When you go to see Adjuritor amki video poil जाल्यार statement जालो San Francisco Xavierचे derogatory statement जालो सरकार थिंग बसोन आसा मिनिस्टर बसोन आसा सरकाराचे आमदार बसोन आसा इट वॉज बट अ फॅक्ट दॅट वेन यू हॅव युअर गव्हर्मेंट रनिंग इट यू कुड हॅव स्टॉप्ड इट स्टॉप करूं जातालें मनीसपणान उब रावन बंद कर म्हणजे बंद कर हांव आहलोलें जाल्यार हांव म्हणटा आहलोलें बंद म्हणजे बंद बी इट वॉट एवर बट समटायम्स वॉट हॅपन्स इज ऑल ह्युमन्स आर नॉट अलायक आमी सगळीं एक भाशेन न्हू बट तुकोडो हो कायदो आहलोलो or rule ahloलो and I'm sure about the NOC which has been given हे कायद्या प्रमाणे आमदारांनी सरकारान तेन्ना हे करूं जातालें चीट दिन तो उलयत सुद्दां थिंगा आमदार वा आमगे मंत्री उलयलो तांकां चोड्या झाडाचेर चोडयले ते उग रावले बट तेन्नाय टायम आहलोलो सरकारान तें बंद उडोवपाचें आयज चिंतपाक गरज आहा की एलिमेंट्स आमगे गोंयांत कितें येताय केसो कारणां लागून येताय इश्यूज डायवर्ट करपाक सेन्सस ते स्वता चलत ते विलेजांनी तेजे वयर नदर वचपाक 39A जो मुद्दो चलता गोंयांत तेजे वयर नदर वचपाक खारापूर किजात ते सगळे सो टू डायवर्ट ऑल these elements have been brought it was only from this government that late Manohar Parrikar had put ban गायलो ताणे एसो संस्थेचे एसो हेंचे पण आयज कित्याक हे संस्थेक एक फ्री वेल दिलो आहा कित्याक म्हूण हे मायनॉरिटी क्लास बी एज क्रिश्चियन्स आर बी टार्गेटेड If a priest talks somewhere in Velankani, he's been immediately with anger, he's been said that you're not supposed to do it. Outside my state, if it has been spoken, it is heard down in Goa. But when it has been said in Goa itself, shouldn't we go and feel hurt? I know we are taking this press conference, or 5 दिसांची press conference दिता. Or press conference, I चोयला. काम किती सोदा आता सध्या तरी बिकॉज स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन अजून कांय केलो ना बॅन म्हणून ते अजून इम्पोज केलोले ना सो हेजे एकू पुरावे जाता की आमकां मायनॉरिटी क्लासाक टोटली टार्गेट करपाक एक तरी प्रयत्न चल्ला कित्या खातीर वॉट आय डू नॉट नो यूजिंग आस एज अ प्रिटेक्स आय डू नॉट नो बट आय थिंक वी शूड हॅव अ कंप्लीट बॅन ऑन दीस आमी क्रिस्तांव लोक म्हणजे ते हेज म्हूण वी डू पीसफूल प्रोटेस्ट वी डू इट म्हणजे हेज म्हूण सदांची स्टोरी म्हूण आमोग रावपा ना हे फाटी बिकॉज इट इज बीन सेड दिस मॅन हॅज his video has been circulated in the past year 2025 today they are saying that this brother has written the script and given to him the speech and given to him that means you are going back to 2025 to find out this the speech which has been written and given to him This is a question to the government. It doesn't sound good at all. When he was there within the jurisdiction of the state of Goa, he should have been brought into bars. This is what we say. ये आमका सोयेचे पडपा ना and आम सोयेचे घेवपा ना ये. Be it whatever. Old Goa today symbolizes to us a pratik, a unity of. Everybody is there, irrespective of our priests, our cardinal, our bishop. We all invite politicians, the state leaders. Even at Pilar you will see them. Even at Santa Tun's relics you will see them. Today they have come on San Francisco Xavier. Tomorrow they will come on Santa Antun. आमको जाय ना. आमगे भक्ती आम कितको मागताय विनोयताय. म्हाका अजून उडगा आसा. मुगे डॅडी म्हाका आपणागे शोल्डराचेर बसोवन वचून सान फ्रांसिस्को दाखयतालो. आयज एक टायम येतलो आम भुरग्यां लोक सांगतली बाबा सान फ्रांसिस्को उडयनाका म्हूण. कित्या खातीर? Why? Because the government is trying to create that fear in this minority people. I do not want that, and I think this has to be stopped completely.